Hundreds of millions of old mattresses are discarded globally each year. We've spent 7 years or even longer researching how to reduce the environmental impact of discarded mattresses. We've launched a sustainable pocket spring units that requires no glue from the comfort layer to the support layer, using purely physical assembly, resulting in no formaldehyde pollution. It can be easily disassembled and is 100% recyclable. All of this stems from our innovation in the manufacturing process. The spring units with the dismantling function use thread instead of glue, employing mechanical sewing to seal the fabric pocket. Any household can disassemble it at home, actively promoting the environmentally friendly practice of recycling old mattresses. The cloud foam spring units fill with scraps of foam, latex, and dull cotton. This enhances the comfort while improving material utilization, simplifying production, saving costs, and making recycling and sorting easy. Box spring pads can be used as a versatile filling material for the comfort layer, enhancing elasticity and delivering ultimate comfort. Our 4-leaf clover glue-free spring units use materials chosen with green sleep in mind. High-carbon steel is the most recyclable material on Earth. Traditional mattresses require chemical spraying to achieve flame retardancy, but we are committed to avoiding harmful chemicals. So the non-woven fabric we use has an extremely high flame retardant rating. Our research and development is driven by the desire to enrich the functionality, health benefits, comfort, and help our partners to reduce costs, while also committing to sustainable development and reducing the burden on our planet.